Query: successful Noel Maitland murder trial. Defense urges acquittal amidst summing up. Kingston, Jamaica. The high-profile murder trial of Noel Maitland, a police constable accused of the murder of social media influencer Donnelly Donaldson, reached a critical juncture as the defense concluded its closing arguments. Presiding Judge Justice Vinette Graham Allen has begun summing up the case for the jury, with proceedings set to continue in the home circuit court. The defense's core argument: if the puzzle doesn't fit, you must acquit. In a compelling 2-hour closing submission, defense attorney Christopher Townsend directly challenged the prosecution's narrative the Crown had previously likened its case to a jigsaw puzzle with no missing pieces, relying heavily on circumstantial evidence. Townsend countered this by urging the 7-member jury to rely on their own life experiences, and cautioned them that, if the puzzle don't fit, you must acquit. Townsend emphasized several key points to the jury. Burden of proof. He reminded jurors that the burden of proof rests entirely on the prosecution and must meet the standard of being sure of guilt. The no-body argument, highlighting that the prosecution is asking the jury to infer death without a body. Townsend argued that the evidence presented did not sufficiently link his client to the alleged crime. Emotion versus evidence. He cautioned the jury against letting emotion influence their decision, specifically referencing the emotional testimony given by Donnelly's mother. Evidence and testimony discrepancies. The defense pointed to technical and witness evidence to suggest that Donaldson was not at Maitland's apartment at the time of the alleged incident. Cell tower data. A cyber-forensic expert testified that Donaldson's cell phone pinged a tower 400 meters away from the apartment shortly after 1 p.m. on July 12, while a friend testified to hearing traffic in the background of a call at that time. Mother's beliefs. In a surprising revelation, Maitland's father testified that Donaldson's mother told him she did not believe Maitland killed her daughter, even if she felt he knew something. Townsend argued that if the Crown's primary witness harbored such doubts, the jury should as well. Next steps in the trial. As the defense rested, the judge began the process of summing up the evidence and legal principles for the jury. This phase is expected to continue through Thursday, after which the jury will retire to deliberate and reach a verdict. Maitland remains in custody as the public awaits the conclusion of a case that has gripped the nation since Donaldson's disappearance in July 2022.